Fun jumps, yes!
That's one of the better blue trails I've ridden.
Finding a good jump line is not an easy task.
This seems like a jump trail, but it's full of baby heads.
That's because many terrains are better suited for technical trails.
Jeez, Yuka. You went right for the rock.
Wow, that was sketchy. Oh my god.
Did you front wash and then you let off the brake?
No?
Oh, it seemed like you went kind of fast.
Yeah.
If there are this many great rocks, they should be used.
This place doesn't really have jumps.
No.
Yeah.
But still, many bike parks try to build jump lines. Only when I ride them, will I know how good they are.
That's a weird corner for a trail like this. Here's the jumps here.
Oh, this is a trail gap.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm not sure I want to land into those rocks.
Yeah, I was wondering that
Yeah.
too, yeah. New day, new bike park.
Whoa! Yeah, a little sketchy. I overshot one.
Oh yeah? Yeah, I was trying to go slow.
It's not trail speed. You need some more jumps?
Good ones.
This Legacy Bike Park, I think it has some pretty good jumps.
Okay.
Straight onto the woodwork.
Casper. We came here to jump.
Pretty good so far.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah.
Pretty good. So there's big jumps coming. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yeah, I cased really bad double.
Yeah.
That one kind of spooks me because it has a bit of a harsh case.
Yeah, we need to take more time if we want to clear those big jumps.
We normally spend one day in one place, and we can't pop everywhere, like skills with Phil.
This is blind. This is blind.
In order to have fun in a short period of time, we need jumps that are safe and built well.
God. This seems like a jump trail, but it's full of baby heads.
Oh my god.
This trail's in terrible shape.
Yeah, it's not smooth at all.
No.
Yeah. So sad, it looks nice feature.
Yeah.
Our happiness is well reliant on the trails. Improving my jumping skills is one way to solve the problem. But I will take the other way. Find the jumps that makes me feel like I'm a good jumper. And which trail makes me feel like I'm a good jumper? It's airline. And who designed and built the trail in the first place? It's gravity logic.
Today, I decided not to ride tech trail. Today, it's only jump trail.
This is fun.
Woo. It's pretty good.
That was really good, actually.
Yeah.
That's one of the better blue trails I've ridden.
Yeah, and then no brake bumps. That's the best. Nice. Nice.
Yuka's trying to do some tweaks.
Whew. Okay, more jumps.
Alright, Rainmaker.
Woohoo. Nice. Clear. Nice.
Pretty smooth so far.
So far, so good.
Yeah. Yeah, Gravity Logic knows what they're doing. It's like night and day difference. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah,
We
definitely.
haven't even ridden it yet.
But we already know it's gonna be a great.
Yeah, you can see that it's like, okay, this all this stuff makes sense.
Yeah. Through. Nice. Nice signs. I like it. And jumps. Yes. Oh, yes.
It's gonna be a good day.
Already feeling great. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, big wooden thing.
Ooh. All right. Whew.
Alright, that was
Pretty
sweet. Yeah, it's good already.
Yes.
Good blue jumps are much more scarce than good double black jumps. And in a good bike park, it was easier to improve my jumping skills.
Looks harsh. Should we hit the jumps?
Yeah, you wanna go around it? Okay. It'd be nice to get a toe on that.
Yeah. Gap jump. Oh, it's big, huh? Another gap. Table. Doesn't look that bad. Okay. Work on push. We need a toe for the drop, but I think we can clear jumps first. Okay. Nice. Oh, this one's big. Oh my god. I bounced. Yes, of course. If we can't clear, we bounce. Oh yeah, it's kind of hard to clear without speed.
Yeah, there's that one shark fin thing. I think I need to. It blocked me from doing all the ones after.
Yeah. Nice. Oh. Maybe I should go on, but it's scary. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh. Oh. Scary.
How's that?
Yeah, cleared it.
best bike park we've been to so far.
I like the volley jump lines.
Yes, another Gravity Logic bike park.
Yeah. Of course, Gravity Logic builds more than just jump lines. And you can find them at the various sites. There are also many great jumps that have nothing to do with Gravity Logic. However, following your favorite trail builder may be the best way to find your next favorite trail. If you want to watch more of our rides in the US, come check out my Patreon.
Jeez, Yuka.
Thank you for watching, and see you next time.
Okay, this trail's gnar, man. I said it last time. I'll say it again. This is like such a world-class ride.